And one of my favorite quotes is, make a decision to make a decision. So it doesn't matter what it is, just make the decision,
You
whether
decide.
it's right or wrong. If it's wrong, you make another decision. You just at another crossroads. It's just another decision and another decision. So you don't need to dwell on your failures or your bad decisions. Just change it, do something different. You don't have to do everything. Appreciate that they're great at what they do. So use it to your advantage, empower them to do more, be better, make decisions. And that's going to alleviate some of your pressures as well, some of your responsibility, but also give them that trust back that you want their knowledge, you want their experience. You don't want to come in and be a dictator to change. It's about empowering everybody to get on that journey with you, and that you're all aiming towards the end goal for the greater good. So explain why you're there, what your objective is, why you've been brought in. I was brought in to do the change. It wasn't essentially my idea. It was the CEO's idea. He wanted the end goal. He knew what the end goal was. I was brought in to achieve that process. So right from day one, it was like, this is what I've come in to do. We need to end up in this situation. So I'm going to tell you everything that I know, everything that I can tell you, and vice versa. Please tell me everything that you know and everything that you think I should know as well. It's just building that relationships and spending a lot of time early days building those relationships, you communicating with them and building that trust. It's a huge honor to be recognized for what you have done and what you have achieved. Sometimes in the day-to-day grind, you're in the thick of it and it can feel so heavy. And yeah, to recognize everything that you've done and achieved and put in place, and to recognize where you are now yeah, it's just brilliant. I'm so excited for it. And yeah, the night itself, it'll be amazing. It'll be good
Yeah,
fun. It'll be incredible. So whoever wins, it will just be an amazing night.